Let's have a quick conversation about AHA versus the business plan shop versus BizPlan.com. Of course, we are speaking about business plan software. So I want to give you a glance into this comparative analysis. So I want to first start with AHA. So when you think about AHA, I want you to think first and foremost about a project management, platform, not just a business plan strictly. They do way more than that. As a matter of fact, AHA likes to actually position themselves as a product management solution. So you are able to actually set strategy, prioritize features, and create beautiful product roadmaps to showcase your plans. So think about AHA as a roadmap solution primarily that you can use actually for business planning and also business plan writing. And what we love about AHA is that you have a comprehensive feature set and strategic planning capabilities. So you are able to actually you can do things like the right way at the right time. So AHA is really versatile in terms of project management. So all kinds of teams can use AHA for business plan writing. And what we love about AHA is that the software allows you to scale. So if you're a small business, you can write a business plan. If you're a large enterprise, you can also write a business plan through AHA. So it's very, very scalable. But it is primarily a project management / product road mapping and strategic planning solution. And you have a set of modules that facilitate detailed project planning, task management, and collaboration. You also have a comprehensive solution for managing all kinds of complex projects. Okay, so in terms of AHA, you have several modules. You have AHA roadmaps, you have AHA ideas, you have AHA notebooks, you also have AHA develop. So that's really important. So in terms of the core AHA features, you have the project roadmap building. So you are able to create detailed project roadmaps essential for tracking progress and aligning projects with strategic goals. So that's really good. You also have a workflow streamlining. That's really fantastic. And so bottom line is AHA is pretty versatile, and I want to insist on that. And so you also have detailed management. So AHA captures every project deliverable and the due dates, ensuring that no detail is overlooked. And the Gantt chart functionality and built-in collaboration tools, including automatic notifications and comments, keeps teams well informed and coordinated, facilitating smooth project execution, especially as the execution relates to business plan writing. You also have a project tracking. So AHA actually allows you to track project in real time, which gives you critical insights for project managers, especially if they are working on a business plan. So as a user, you can enter data once and then generate reports to analyze delivery metrics such as the status of activities and overall percentage completion, which are really crucial. And so that's really important. And you can see on the screen here, you have the ability to also draft stuff with AI. You also have resource allocation. So if you are working on a business plan, you have the ability to actually allocate resources like appropriately. That's really cool. And you also, now in terms of AHA ease of use, fantastic. I mean, right off the bat, AHA is very easy to use, easy to set up, easy to actually collaborate on. In terms of customer service, their customer service is quick, and they will really will help you out. You have a knowledge base and help center in case you do not need to speak to customer service. You have the ability to get the answers yourselves. You also have service channels. So AHA provides a range of service channels to accommodate user preferences, offering quick and efficient email support. So additionally, the platform gives instant assistance in the form of live chat, ensuring quick responses when agents are available, and comprehensive phone support by a variety of product experts, especially if you're looking for experts around business plan writing. So what are the pros and cons here? The pros, you have a vast feature set, detailed project roadmaps, extensive customer support, and real-time project tracking, especially if you are working on a business plan. What about the cons here? Basically, you have a learning curve that could be steep depending upon the project. This product is pricier than some alternatives. You have limited customization options, and user experience may be inconsistent. So something to really think about. You also have integrations to a lot of third-party apps, including Jira, GitHub, Azure DevOps, Salesforce, Zendesk. So that's really important to really think about. Let me talk to you about the business plan shop. When you think about the business plan shop, I want you to think about a platform that allows you to actually write a business plan a lot faster. So aside from creating the plan, this software is also capable of forecasting for 3 to 5 years. And the application does a good job of walking all kinds of users, including entrepreneurs and business owners, through collecting financial projections, as well as descriptive text. And then the software will generate an attractive business plan documents. So what's really cool about the business plan shop is that you have a lot of guidance, something that you may not have with AHA, for instance. And what we love about the business plan shop is we love the different modules that the software has. Let me break it down for you. For example, you have financial forecasting. So the business plan shop's financial forecasting section collects product and service information by month for 3 or 5 years out. And cost of goods sold is tied to the sales forecast, so you can play with your predictions in brainstorming mode and ask questions such as, what if we raise the unit price? So you kind of have some kind of a scenario analysis, okay, or extrapolation, if you will. So that's really cool. And the bottom line here is that, you know, you have the ability to have in final, like as the final results, a great business plan. And we love the fact that the business plan shop's application has a lot of categories. So depending on the amount of product you desire, you have a tool that can help you a lot. You have the ability to also customize your business plan depending upon the niche that you're in. So bottom line is here is that when you think about the business plan shop, I want you to think about a tool that allows you to scale. It doesn't matter if you're a small business or you're a large enterprise. You can have a tool that can really allow you to scale at length. So this is really fantastic. And what we love about the business plan shop is that you have the ability to always be in control. Of course, the software is suggesting ideas to you, but you always are able to be in control. And not only that, you're able to instill an extra layer of collaborative energy within your team. So multiple team members can log into the tool at the same time. I want to talk to you about the editor. So within the business plan shop, you have all kinds of functionalities. You have the editor, you have the dashboard, and the editor itself is really cool because the editor allows you to actually work through several sections of your business plan, making sure that your business plan is completed really, really fast. The bottom line is you have the ability to get a business plan written in a very short amount of time. Now, the editor itself supports more than plain text, so you can use italics, HTML links, and images. And some text section also permit you to insert dynamically updated elements from elsewhere in the plan, such as COGS, so cost of goods sold. And you also can have a yearly P&L table. And what I want to say also is that we love the fact that when you think about the business plan shop, you have to think about lots of opportunity to customize your plan elements. That's really good because it gives you a control again, something that AHA necessarily doesn't have. And you also have to understand that the business plan shop can also help you in terms of customizing your business plan based on the target audience. So if you are preparing a business plan for, let's say, investors versus VC firms, or versus an incubator, or versus a lender, the business plan shop can really customize things for you on that end. However, one thing you need to really remember is that with the business plan shop, there's not much education or encouragement about what to say in a business plan. So you are left alone here, so to speak. Of course, you might get a good structure to start with, but in the end, you don't have a lot of inspiration. So that's a bummer, really, when you think about the business plan shop. let's talk about BizPlan.com. So as we are trying to really go versus the business plan shop versus businessplan.com, what do we think about businessplan.com? Well, first of all, when you think about bizplan.com, I want you to think about a comprehensive business plan software helping startups, entrepreneurs, and small business owners create business plans with direct access to planning experts. Remember that the BizPlan is actually part of an incubator called startups.com. So that gives you a lot of prestige already. The tool actually provides a guided business plan creator to streamline the writing process, and this step-by-step builder breaks the tedious process into bite-sized pieces that you can actually complete. And basically, financial tools help create detailed projections and financial and cash flow statements in no time. So as an entrepreneur, you can spend more time growing and scaling your business. So that's really fantastic. And what we love about BizPlan also is that the tool goes beyond. Once you are done creating a business plan, you can directly share with investors or use Fundable, the platform's online fundraising platform, so you can actually raise capital for your business. It's really fantastic. And so overall, BizPlan could be a great investment for your startup or small business if you want to create a comprehensive business plan. And there are certain things that you have to really think about first. So let me talk to you about the pros and cons of BizPlan. The pros first. Basically, a BizPlan subscription includes access to self-guided courses, expert masterclass videos, and thousands of how-to guides on business and financial planning. The tool offers an easy-to-use guided business plan creator for hassle-free business planning, a fundraising platform for which you can plan directly. You can actually pitch directly to investors, collaboration and sharing features, a very intuitive and easy to use business planning tool, and you also have a on-demand advice from over 20,000 startup mentors, and that's really good. What about the cons here? Well, the process of creating a financial model is time-consuming, and getting to grips with a platform can be a bit challenging. They do lack industry-specific guidance and business plan templates. Some users may find designing customizations somewhat limited and tedious. Pricing packages for BizPlan are a bit pricey. And some users also may find the platform lacking in customization options, especially when it comes to niche business planning. It has limited integration features, so that's really what it is. I want to show you on the screen here. Here is a BizPlan pricing. So here are the prices you have to work with. You have the monthly, the annual, and the lifetime access. If you want to go with the lifetime access, you just pay a one-time $350, and then you're in for life. So this is something to really consider, especially if you think the platform is a really good one. Let's dig a little deeper here in terms of the features of businessplan.com. What are the features you can really avail yourself of? You have a business plan builder, you have financial tools, you have the ability to share online with the investors, you have BizPlan education, you have free access to Fundable. Let me break it down for you. First of all, when we talk about BizPlan builder, you have a step-by-step builder that simplifies BizPlan creation by breaking down the process into smaller steps. So drag and drop templates for all the important sections help eliminate the guesswork, whereas stunning visual layouts ensure a visually appealing and professional looking business plan. Furthermore, the built-in progress tracker helps you track what still needs attention and how close you are to the finish line. You have financial tools. So with BizPlan's Financial Command Center, you can monitor all your key business financials from one dashboard. So while forecasting team salaries, you don't need to do any financial calculations. Just set current salaries and suggest increases, and the tool will figure out the rest. And you're able to share online with investors. So you can share your business plan online with your investors, stakeholders, and partners to get the whole team involved while keeping track of their suggestions or feedback in threaded comments across your entire plan. You can control who can comment or or view sensitive financial information. And as everything is on the cloud, you can access your plan anytime from anywhere. So that's really cool. You also have a BizPlan education, and you also have the free access to Fundable. So you get free access to Fundable, an online fundraising platform that helps you directly connect with potential investors. So with over 20,000 accredited investors, this platform has helped actually startups in raising over $500 million. So apart from a Fundable, you also get access to some other partner websites and platforms, including startups.com. Of course, this is an online startup accelerator / incubator. You have Clarity also. So Clarity actually is great for startup advice from business experts. You have a Launch Rock, which is really for better customer acquisition. And finally, you have a Zirtual, which is really which is a platform for hiring a virtual assistant rather. So what are the tactics here? So AHA versus the business plan shop versus bizplan.com. Which one should you go for? Well, it's important to really first understand that the platform that you or the platform / software that you actually choose will have to actually fit with your needs and your vision, right? So do you have a startup? Do you have an established business? Do you have anything in between? Do you have a growing small business, a growing large enterprise? A growing mid-sized enterprise? It really depends. And you got to also ask yourself, what information do I want to really put into my business plan? Because not all business plans are the same. So normally in a business plan, you want to have various sections such as executive summary, business information, legal structure and management, product and services, right? Marketing strategy, funding needs, and financial projections. But the thing is that you might say, you know what? I don't want my business plan to be as lengthy or as more convoluted as needed. And so you got to really choose a tool that really helps you get the business plan that you really need. And it's important to really understand that the financial projections aspect of a business plan is kind of quite essential, because basically the potential investors, lenders, or stakeholders in general will want to see how you forecast your income, cash flow, expenses, and more. So you have to have a tool that allows you to create a detailed outlook of your company's financial future. And you got to have this in a very clear manner. So what is our choice here? AHA versus the business plan shop versus bizplan.com. Which one should you go for? Our choice is very simple and very straightforward. We go with bizplan.com. We believe bizplan.com is the best among the three. Basically, you have a tool, you have a platform that's very that allows you to do a lot of things, especially the fundable sort of connection. The ability to raise funds is just fantastic. So our choice is bizplan.com. We recommend that. And now you want to go with the AHA if you are looking for a roadmap / BizPlan software tool. And the BizPlan, the business plan shop, is not really in terms of, if you were to compare and contrast AHA to the business plan shop and bizplan.com. bizplan.com is number one. AHA is number two. The BizPlan shop is the third one. So in closing, in today's conversation, I actually did a quick compare and contrast between the three business plan software tools, AHA, the business plan shop, and bizplan.com. I gave you a glance into all those three software tools. I gave you the tactics you need to really pay attention to and our choice. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.